Welcome to mintNOW, an NFT deployment app for enterprises. So what is mintNOW? So this app is a zero or you can say low code solution that helps enterprises to launch their NFT collections in easy steps. It also fulfills the requirement of multiple NFT business use cases into one application by allowing to pick and choose the features of the NFT. It also doesn't require coding skills as it creates smart contracts under the hood as needed for the respective business use cases. In this particular video, we'll use a use case of how a football-based enterprise can create digital collectibles of their football players that anyone can purchase, collect, or trade. So this demo will have two parts. First part will be creation of the NFT collection, and second part will be minting the NFT from the enterprise website. So let's get started. We'll click on this button, create project. We'll give it a name. So football 11. Description will be a NFT collection of football players. For project tab, we'll select contract and metadata since we need both for this project. Token tab will select normal. Collection extendable will select no for the sake of simplicity. NFT type will select dynamic because we will be changing the metadata in future. Storage type will be centralized. Collection type would be multiple because we want multiple users to be able to mint NFTs of a single player. And delete reveal we will select no for now and we'll click on confirm. So now we are on the template page. So we'll select OpenSea in the metadata standard and we'll select some properties for the metadata, name, image, and we'll also select some custom attributes. So they will be like overall rating, nationality, club, and career goals. That should do it. And once we are done with this, we'll save and download this template and we'll name it football temp and we'll save it. So this is how the custom metadata template looks like. So here we have to fill the Excel sheet with the relevant data. So I'll just paste the data that I have already created. One thing to take care is that image name should be in order because the images and other metadata are mapped together. So now we are on the metadata page. Here we'll upload the CSV we just filled and also the images. So I'll click on upload files. I'll click on choose. Here I have all the images plus the CSV. I'll select all of them. Open. So now I get 10 metadata and 10 images. So I'll save. So now we are on the view page. Here we can find all the data we just uploaded, the image plus the CSV data. And if we think there is anything wrong in the data and we need to correct it, we can go back using this button and correct it. I think all the data here looks fine. So I'll start uploading. And this will upload the data to the S3 bucket as we had selected centralized database in the form. So this is the configuration page. Whatever inputs we provide here will construct the contract in the next page. So we'll start token name. We'll keep it simple. We'll name it football. Token symbol FB. Mint price. We'll keep it 0.01. This is the price that customers will pay when they want to mint our NFTs from our collection. Overall collection size we'll keep it 10. Receiver wallet address is the address which will receive the funds of the minted tokens. So I will paste it here. Mint functionality. So I will choose public and owner because I want anyone to mint this NFT and also owner can mint the NFTs for themselves or other customers or users. Special token, this section is optional, so we'll skip it for now and let's generate the contract. So now we are on the final step of the project, which is deploy. So here you can see a contract has been created. So this is the contract which is created using the inputs we gave it in the previous field plus the inputs we gave while we were creating on the first page itself. On the left hand side, you can see all the information like token symbol, BSURM, metadata, standard token type, everything else. You can validate it here. And now let's deploy it. So it will ask us for a network. So we'll select Polygon testnet and then we'll deploy it. Okay, so our contract has been deployed. So now we can see our project football 11 under the deployed projects on dashboard. It has all the information which we had given. And now if I click on manage, it has the additional information about the contract and the project itself. Below it, we have code snippets. These code snippets can be used by the enterprises to let users mint and do other NFT operations. And now other things we have is smart functions. These are the contract functions which can be executed from here itself. Now for the demo part of the code snippet, here we have created an enterprise website which users will log in to mint the NFTs. We can see all the players whom we have created NFTs for. And for the mint now button, we have used the code from the code snippet, which is responsible for carrying out the minting process and finally minting the NFT to the end user. So let's now mint an NFT. So we'll mint the Marco Ferrari NFT. I'll click on mint now. It's processing. A MetaMask pop-up will appear. This prompts us to sign a transaction asking for the price of the NFT plus the gas fee. So we'll click on confirm. So now it is NFT minted. So now if I click on my profile, I can see that I have got the Marco Ferrari NFT here. So the NFT was successfully minted, and we can also see the same on OpenSea. So I'll click on view on OpenSea, and you can see that I have got the Marco Ferrari NFT here. Hence the operation was successful. So now let's see how we can dynamically update the metadata of the already minted NFTs using mintNOW APIs. So here we can see that Marco has 173 career goals, and let's suppose he scores 2 more goals. So now to update that, we can use the mintNOW APIs. So this is a demo page that we have created that is using mintNOW APIs under the hood. So it asks for token ID. So token ID of Marco Ferrari's NFT was 8, and the total number of goals. So 173 previous count plus 2 the new goals. So it will be 175, and we'll click on submit, and it says updating. So it says metadata updated. So now if we go and check on my profile page, we'll see that the goal count was updated from 173 to 175. So this seamless operation ensures that we can change the NFTs according to the real life events. Thank you for joining us today on mintNOW. We appreciate your time and interest. Thank you.